Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a savory protein pancake with prawns and chilies. You can use the frozen prawns from most of the supermarkets, so it's very quick to make. And this recipe is without any oil. So, if you happen to be tired of just drinking your protein powder, try use them to make this. Now, let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this: unflavored whey protein powder. We add 20 grams of it, then 15 grams of almond flour. This amount is the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It actually helps you burn fat, and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, you can replace it with normal wheat flour. Your pancake will still taste good. Okay, then 35 grams of all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And for this one specifically, we need 1/8 teaspoon of salt and half a gram of equal sweetener. A little sweetness to amplify the salt. This is an aspartame-based sweetener, no calories. I've been using it to replace sugar. Now, we mix all of them thoroughly. When it's well mixed, set it aside. Now we can prepare the batter. We need 85 milliliters of whole milk, then 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance its flavor. So in total we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with the powders. Then stir. After it's nicely mixed, pour it onto a plate. Now we need to preheat it in the microwave to make it set a little, so that it can hold the prawns on it. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get out of the microwave. Now, microwave it at max power for half a minute in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 1 minute if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. After the preheating, you can see the batter already set a little. Now, we can put the prawns on it. Cover the whole surface with prawns. This usually takes around 100 grams. If some of them insist sticking together, let them. Don't risk getting caught by the ice shards. Okay, after the prawns, let's prepare the seasoning. Crush 2 garlic cloves. This way you can get the best garlic flavor. But if it's too much trouble for you, you can use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder instead. Then 1/8 teaspoon of salt, half a gram of equal sweetener, some black pepper, suit your own taste. I use 10 swirls, a rather mild amount. Then 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Choose a type that you like and can tolerate. The one I'm using is not really very spicy but on the fragrant side. It's called 二荆条 to be exact, a star product from Sichuan province. Okay, after the chili, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley leaves. If you don't mind the time, you can cut some fresh parsley. It's also nice to add some cilantro if you like it. Finally, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce. Now mix everything into a paste and scatter them all over the pancake. I'm deliberately not making this homogeneous. This way you can taste the contrast in every bite, and everything tastes stronger. Okay, then another 1 teaspoon of dry parsley scattered all over it. Now it's ready for cooking. Microwave it at max power for 6 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 8 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. 6 minutes later, our pancake is cooked. Now you can already eat it like this. I mean, if you don't mind the whitish colors. Microwave is efficient at heating things, but it doesn't brown things. So what I'll do is to use an air fryer to brown it real quick. To transfer the pancake, first shuffle the edge all around. Then you can easily shuffle the whole thing up. Oh great, there is an accident. This is what happens when you waste time filming a video while cooking this. The prawns sank too much, and the pancake is broken, but I'm gonna present it this way no matter how. So put it in the air fryer, heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or around 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And this plate, if you don't want to wash it now, put it under water. Then it will be easy to clean when you get back to it. Okay, 5 minutes later, it's done, nicely browned, broken but not defeated. And now, to finalize it, drizzle some lemon juice on it. That's around 5 milliliters according to my eyeballing. And if you are a die-hard chili lover, drizzle some more chilies. Then it's completed. Now, time for the nutrition facts. Each one of these has around 419 kcal of calories, 39.5 grams of protein, 35.5 grams of carbs, 13.5 grams of fat, and 942 milligrams of sodium. This recipe is really appetizing and packed with protein, and it doesn't take long to make. A nice choice for brunch or a quick workday dinner. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking, take care.